Hello everyone, how are you? Well guys, me welcoming you all in this video. I'm going to talk about Southern Railway चेन्नई। कोई भी एग्ज़ाम क्रैक करने के लिए टेक्स्ट बुक पास को परचेज़ करो। इसमें लाइव क्लासेस दे सकते हो, मॉक टेस्ट दे सकते हो। अप्लाई करो ये कूपन 5VAS3 के, जिससे तुम्हें 10% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा। Wow, isn't it what it is? Yeah, in this video, I have gone through the detailed analysis from the official requirement process of RRC. I have taken all the details from RRC official notice, so you can totally rely on this. I'm going to talk about so many things. I mean, from the number of posts, the number of candidates applied for one thing, what number of candidates are going to file. So many things are going to go, but before that, I would like to request you all that if your form has been rejected due to invalid photo whatsoever the reason, and you have applied and submitted and uploaded things in a very careful manner, in a very absolute way, despite this your form has been rejected and you are doing nothing for this, then you are going to lose a very good opportunity, and that is something what you must not lose. If you are not doing anything for this, then you are going to repaint on this very badly. Anyway, this is something what I just felt that like this to tell you all. That's why I'm telling, otherwise there is no any other intention apart from this, right? Anyway, let's jump on the video. Total number of vacancies 1,03,769. Total candidate applied for here is 1.25 crore. Is a huge number as compared to NTPC, where 1.37 crore candidate have applied. Here the 12 lakh is less as compared to RRB and TPC, right? This time, as like in case of NTPC, what is the name? Yeah, TCS has conducted. Here also TCS is going to conduct RRC Group D examination. 100 questions are going to come, 90 minutes you have, and for those 100 questions it is divided into general science for 25 questions, reasoning of 30 questions, mathematics is going to be of 25 marks, and for current affair and general awareness is going to come off 20 marks. So each question has 1 marks allotted, right? For the stage 2, for boys 35 kg, you have to go for 100 meter in, you have to complete in 100 meter in 2 minutes. Along with that, you have to be able to cover 1000 meter in 4 minutes 15 seconds. For the girls, you have to take 20 kg and you have to cover 100 meter in 2 minutes. Along with this 1000 meter, you have to must be able to cover in 5 minutes 40 seconds. Third stage is your medical, then document verification, and the most important stage, that is stage 5th, is what? Joining letter. Yeah, you know what, railway, SSC, and there's so many other departments in India that takes so many, kill your time basically. Instead of just saying like taking your time, they kill your time by just giving you joining despite all the process completed. Horrible, isn't it horrible? It is, yeah. Anyway, let's jump onto this. I have a complete detail of Southern Railway Chennai. Number of candidates applied is here 9,264, and the number of posts here is 9,579, and for one post, for one seat, just 94 students are going to fight. Wow, isn't it? Wow, it is, yeah. I mean, this is 94 if 100% attendance is going to come, and usually what happens is just like attendance is of 60 to 70. If it is going to be 60 to 70, it is definitely going to reduce to like 60 to 70. I mean, instead of 94 is going to be like 60 to 50 students are going to fight for one seat. Wow, isn't it like a lottery? You are freaking awesome on this, man. You can catch his grab it. That's what I'm saying. This is the goal opportunity for those who are applied from Chennai, and the guys whose firm has been rejected by the RSC. He or she must take action, do something so that he or she get motivation, and he or she can modify his or her firm so that he or she can appear in examination. Yaar, this is something what I'm saying. That's why understand this thing. This is a very good opportunity to take a part in the railway department. Yeah, to job in railway department is not a small thing, man. Especially as far as government job is concerned, bro. Understand this thing, small thing, and you are going to definitely get a job this year. That for sure. Anyway, this is me signing off from this video. Have a great time to yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video. And one more thing is that I have a book that is Group D book published by Arihant, and you know the quality and content of Arihant. This is something what a great book. I have a story. I would like to strongly recommend you to go for this book, and you're definitely not going to disappoint. That for sure. Link I have given in the description box. From there you can to download and read it out. Yeah, read it out. Right, this is me signing off from this video. Have a great